Tom, you look tired today.
I am tired.
What happened?
My friend asked me to help him move house yesterday.
Oh, moving is hard work.
Yes, and I was really busy.
Did you want to help?
Not really.
But you said yes.
I always say yes.
Ah, that's the problem.
I know. I need to learn to say no.
Perfect. That's our topic today.
Today, we're talking about saying no.
And setting personal boundaries.
This is so important.
Let's learn together.
So, Lucy, what are personal boundaries?
Good question. Let me explain simply.
Please do.
Boundaries are limits.
Limits?
Yes, they protect your time and energy.
I see.
They show people what's okay and what's not okay.
Can you give an example?
Of course, if someone calls you very late at night,
Yes.
you can say, please don't call after 10 o'clock.
Ah, that's a boundary.
Exactly, you're protecting your sleep time.
That makes sense.
Boundaries help you stay healthy and happy.
But Lucy, saying no is difficult,
I know.
especially in English.
Many of my students struggle with this.
Why is it so hard?
People want to be polite.
That's true.
They don't want to upset others,
So they always say yes.
even when they should say no.
That's exactly my problem.
But here's the important thing.
What's that?
Saying no can be polite.
Really?
Absolutely, you just need the right phrases.
Tell me these phrases.
Okay, let's start with the simple ones.
I'm ready.
First, you can just say no thank you.
That's simple.
Very simple and very polite.
What else?
I'm sorry, I can't.
That's clear.
Or, I'd love to, but I can't.
Oh, that sounds friendly.
It is. You're showing you care.
But you're still saying no.
Exactly right. I had a student called Chen from China.
What happened with Chen?
Chen worked in an office.
Okay.
Her colleagues always asked her to do extra work.
Oh dear.
She felt very stressed.
I can imagine.
She wanted to say no.
But she couldn't.
She was afraid.
What did you teach her?
I taught her to say, I'm sorry, I have too much work right now.
That's honest.
And professional.
Did it work?
Yes, her colleagues understood.
That's wonderful.
Chen felt so much better.
Setting boundaries helped her.
Absolutely.
What if people ask why you're saying no?
Good question.
Do we need to explain?
Not always.
Really?
You can say, I have other plans.
Even if the plans are just resting?
Yes, rest is important.
That's a good point.
Or you can say, I need to take care of something.
What if they keep asking?
You can repeat your answer.
Just say the same thing again.
Yes, stay calm and repeat.
That's clever.
Eventually, they'll understand.
I need to practice this.
Everyone does.
I had a student named Priya from India.
Tell me about Priya.
Priya's family asked her for help all the time.
With what?
Everything. Shopping, cooking, babysitting.
That's a lot.
She had no time for herself.
Poor Priya.
She felt guilty saying no.
That's so common.
What did she do?
What did you teach her?
I taught her it's okay to say, not today, maybe another time.
Oh, that's good.
It's not a complete no.
But it protects her time.
Exactly. She could breathe again.
Did her family get angry?
Not at all.
They respected her boundaries.
Most people do.
When you're clear and calm.
That's the key.
Now let me share some work phrases.
These are useful.
At work, you can say, I need to check my schedule first.
That gives you time to think.
Exactly.
What else?
I can't take that on right now.
Very professional.
Or I'm at capacity at the moment.
At capacity.
It means you're full, you can't do more.
I like that phrase.
It's very professional.
My student Ibrahim from Saudi Arabia uses these.
Does it help him?
Very much.
Tell me more.
Ibrahim's boss asked him to work late every day.
That's not good.
Ibrahim was exhausted.
What did he say?
He said, I'm sorry, I can't work late today. I have a family commitment.
Perfect.
His boss understood.
Boundaries are healthy.
For everyone.
What about with friends?
Friends can be tricky.
Why?
We don't want to hurt their feelings.
True.
But friends should respect boundaries too.
Absolutely.
With friends, you can say, I need some alone time.
That's honest.
Or, I'm not feeling up to it today.
Your real friends will understand.
They really will.
I had a student called Maria from Argentina.
What's her story?
Her friends invited her out every weekend.
That sounds fun.
Sometimes it was fun.
But not always.
Sometimes she was tired.
Did she say no?
At first, no. She always went.
Even when tired?
Yes, she felt obligated.
What changed?
I taught her to say, thanks for inviting me, but I need to rest this weekend.
Simple and clear.
Her friends were fine with it.
They wanted her to be happy.
Exactly.
Real friends understand boundaries.
Always.
Here's something important everyone should know.
What's that?
Saying no doesn't make you rude.
That's so true.
It makes you honest.
And it protects your well-being.
You can't help others if you're exhausted.
Perfect point.
You need to take care of yourself first.
Like on an aeroplane.
What do you mean?
Put on your own oxygen mask first.
Before helping others.
Exactly.
That's a great analogy.
So everyone listening,
It's okay to say no.
you don't need to explain everything.
Be polite but firm.
Use the phrases we shared.
Protect your time and energy.
Your boundaries matter,
People will respect you more.
not less.
Start small today.
Say no to one small thing.
See how it feels.
You'll feel empowered.
We promise. Let's review the best phrases for saying no.
Great idea.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
I'm sorry, I can't.
I'm sorry, I can't.
I'd love to, but I can't.
I'd love to, but I can't.
I have other plans.
I have other plans.
I need to check my schedule first.
I need to check my schedule first.
I'm at capacity at the moment.
I'm at capacity at the moment.
Not today, maybe another time.
Not today, maybe another time.
I need some alone time.
I need some alone time.
These phrases will change your life.
Use them with confidence. Great job today.
You did so well.
Remember, saying no is healthy.
It protects your well-being.
Start practicing today.
Be polite but firm.
Your boundaries matter.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Take care of yourself.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.